Have you ever wondered whether someone is just being friendly or whether there is something more going on? If she is married, the line can become muddy, but there are clear signs to watch for. Discover 8 obvious signs she's into you, even if she's wearing a ring. And, believe me, sign number 7, it's the one most men utterly ignore. So let's not waste any time. Here's what you need to know, beginning with the most obvious hint. She's always finding reasons to be near you. A lady who is interested in you will use subtle, even innocent techniques to get in your presence. She may offer unasked for assistance, continue conversations, or meet you wherever you are, even if it is inconvenient for her. For example, a co-worker may ask for your help with a project, despite your lack of experience. Perhaps you've observed that her favorite coffee shop has become your go-to spot, despite being off her usual route. Why is this happening? Psychologically, attraction instills a craving for proximity. It is primitive. People are attracted to those who tickle their attention, whether consciously or unconsciously. It's scarcely a coincidence that she's deviating from her usual routine to interact with you. She opens up chances for linkage while maintaining plausible deniability. But here's the catch. She'll act casually about it, as if showing up to the same gym class as you was a mere coincidence. Okay, Karen, did Pilates at 6 a.m. suddenly appeal to you this week? If her physical presence weren't enough, her next move is undeniable. Keep an eye out for the emotional clues she drops. This is the juicy part. If she brings up her marriage, pay close attention. If a woman is interested in you, she may minimize her marriage. Oh, we're more like roommates these days. Or exaggerate her compliments. He's great. He's always so busy. Cue the nervous laugh. Why does she do this? Over-explaining is a common psychological defense mechanism used to conceal guilt. Exaggerating or downplaying her marital bliss may be a way for her to cast doubt on her loyalty. Her brain realizes that this interaction is wrong and strives to excuse it. During a dinner party, someone casually adds that Steve is a great guy who fixes things around the house when he gets home. Was there a loaded pause? It's her gently prodding you to see the flaws in her story. If her words do not alert you, her body language will, and trust me, her body rarely lies. Married or not, the body has a way of disclosing what the mind tries to conceal. If she is interested in you, she will lean in to converse with you. This is frequently paired with slight mirroring, in which you touch your face while she touches hers. She adjusts her seat in response to yours. Keep an eye on her feet for further intriguing clues. Feet might indicate a person's actual focus. If someone's feet are constantly pointed at you, they may be sending a signal, whether knowingly or unwittingly. For example, at a work meeting, everyone else is concentrating on the boss's PowerPoint presentation. But how about her feet? Firmly focused on you, as if you are the main agenda. Tip: fidgeting with her hair or jewelry implies anxiousness and excitement. The joke is about how much people assume they are being discreet. Despite her upbeat disposition, her unconscious body language shouts, "Notice me." If her body supports her words, she will use the "let me reveal more than I should" act to take center stage. When a lady confides in you beyond casual chat, it demonstrates emotional investment. Married women who are attracted to someone else may discuss personal grievances or vulnerabilities in order to strengthen their bond. The term intimacy can relate to emotional relationships as well as physical contact. Picture this. The speaker is dissatisfied with her husband's poor listening skills and feelings of invisibility at home. She may justify her revelations as casual talk, but the underlying message is clear. She is sharing a side of herself that she typically conceals. Sharing secrets or personal suffering creates a sense of exclusivity. Self-disclosure is a potent psychological strategy for fast strengthening connections. If you listen to her emotional cues, you'll acquire entry to her inner circle. If she starts to open the door, her further actions will show that she is not only testing the waters, but also jumping in. Are you hesitant to make a move with a younger woman? Today we'll decode the indicators that she's waiting for you to step up. This knowledge will transform your game forever. Let's dive in and turn missed opportunities into successful relationships. Her recent displeasure with you may be due to her expectation for you to take action. Research suggests that when younger women date older men, they generally rely on their partner's experience and knowledge to guide the relationship ahead, rather than interpreting their anger as a negative sign. Consider it a concealed anticipation as she provides small signals. You may have wondered if her casual comments about similar hobbies or future ambitions are more than just small talk. Psychologists say that when younger women exhibit interest in older men, they often give signals about personal views or future skills. This is a great opportunity to understand these subtle cues and improve your relationship. She is more physically expressive. Increased physical experts agree that in relationships between older men and younger women, subtle body language cues such as touching your arm or brushing past you can indicate a desire for you to take the lead. Pay attention to these hints. If she extends her parting hug or seeks reasons to stay with you, she may be sending a signal. Research indicates that when a younger woman prolongs a departure in a relationship with an age gap, it can be interpreted as a hint for older men to make a move. This can be seen when the younger woman makes frequent eye contact with the older man. It is common for younger women interested in older men to engage in this behavior. Her stare is more than simply curiosity. It's a statement of interest. She bats her eyelashes when speaking, which is not only a cute habit. Research indicates that batting eyelashes is often a subconscious action. Women exhibit certain behaviors when attracted to older males. Body language specialists suggest that reading signals from younger women might help you take the lead. For example, if she twirls her hair while conversing with you, you may notice her doing it unintentionally. She may be waiting for you to make a move if you notice her playing with her hair or if she smiles at you. Studies show that smiling is associated with interest and attraction. Younger women. Psychologists suggest that older men are drawn to radiant smiles, which are more than just expressions of friendliness. She also laughs at your jokes, even if they are not particularly humorous. Laughter is a global symbol of interest and connection. Younger women often express their interest in older men through shared humor. If she frequently laughs at your jokes, it may be a sign to step up your game. If she asks you why you don't do something, she may be inviting you to participate in activities. This is more than idle chatter. This is a sign that she feels comfortable around you and expects you to reciprocate, especially with older guys. This can be an encouraging sign to take things up a level. You may notice her subtly pushing you closer during chats. Physical closeness is a psychological tactic used by younger women to foster intimacy with older men they are attracted to. It may be a cue to advance the relationship, as she may be interested in your personal life, past experiences and thoughts. Psychologists emphasize the significance of personal curiosity in shaping romantic bonds among older males. Day to younger women. Consistent compliments from a younger woman may indicate a genuine interest in you and a desire to deepen your relationship. Studies show that compliments can lead to deeper connections, so older men may see this as a sign of encouragement to take the next step. She doesn't focus on other guys, ever observe that even in a crowded room, her attention is only on you. Psychologists agree this is a strong signal of romantic interest. Younger women often showcase their interest in older men by tuning out other potential suitors, so if you are the only man in her eyes, chances are she's waiting for your next move. She adds you on social media. Remember when she asked to connect with you on Instagram or Facebook? Well, that's a modern sign of interest. Social media ads are a contemporary method of expressing interest, especially among the younger generation. If she's keen on being a part of your digital world, she might be signaling you an older gentleman to take the next step. She sits or stands closer to you. Did you notice she often chooses a spot right next to you, regardless of the crowd? That's more than just a coincidence. Gentlemen experts say the physical proximity can indicate interest, especially in the dynamic between older men and younger women. If she is constantly reducing the gap between you, it may be time for you to make the move. If she is fully interested in your chats and rarely distracted by her phone, it may be time for you to make the move. Experts believe that elderly men respond positively to undivided attention. If a younger woman is giving you her full attention, it may indicate that she is waiting for you to make a move. Style psychologists suggest that women may dress up to impress someone they are interested in. If a younger woman starts wearing nicer clothes or more makeup around you, she may be attempting to catch the eye of a distinguished older man. If she quietly steers your talks or outings, it could be her method of establishing a comfortable environment for her and you to make a move. According to psychologists, when a younger woman sets the tone, it is often to create a confident environment for an older man to take the lead. She may openly compliment your traits or reveal what she finds attractive about you, which could be more than just flattery. According to relationship experts, younger women who express their attraction to older men may indicate a desire for a deeper relationship. They may also seek to add excitement and spontaneity to their interactions. Younger women may use this tactic to pique an older man's interest, indicating a desire for a deeper relationship. To learn more about what makes an older man attractive to a younger woman, or how to entice a younger woman to pursue you, take a step towards becoming a dating pro. Thank you for watching.